underscore 3. I got my stage of material, and it looks like we'll be talking about, oh, mesh element snap. Okay, just one thing. Just kidding. So mesh element snap was a big one for me. It's really hard to snap while cutting. It's a thing that I discuss a lot, and I sound like a crazy person every time. But if you're cutting a surface, how do you align to a surface? If you're cutting into a surface, how do you calculate that surface if you're already cutting into it? If the surface is less, the moment you begin interfacing with it with your shape, then how do you orient and align yourself to it? These are just philosophical questions that we must ask ourselves. So without further ado, let's dive into Boxcutter 720 underscore 3.